Yo YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick video today to show you some Jurassic Genesis codes. These are by far the best codes for Jurassic Genesis Roblox, allowing you to unlock all dinosaurs. So before I start the video, guys, I am doing a huge Robux giveaway, so make sure you like this video and subscribe. And if you do both of those things, you will be entered into my Robux giveaway, and I'll announce the winner in my next video. So anyway, let's get into the video. Let's not waste any more time and show you these Roblox Jurassic Genesis codes. So as you can see, you need to use your mobile phone internet browser. So you can do this on iPhone or Android. You need an internet connection, and you just got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So you spell it exactly like this, guys, coldcoupons.com. And it's going to bring you to this page here. Now, they have hundreds of game codes on here, guys. So they have codes for pretty much every game you can imagine. So there is a search bar where it says search here at the top of the screen. And in there, you can just type Jurassic Genesis. Now, these are the available verified Jurassic Genesis Roblox codes. There's only a couple of verified codes, but both of them are absolutely awesome. And these are pretty popular, almost 10,000 5-star ratings. So you can get a Jurassic Genesis codes for 1 million free credits. And this is an awesome one, guys. Probably the most popular code. This is a Jurassic Genesis code, get all dinosaurs, and this is completely free. So this is going to unlock every single dinosaurs. That includes things like the D-Rex, the Indominus Rex. Some of the rarest dinos, guys, can be unlocked with this code. So this entire process only takes a few minutes. And as you can see, it says your code is ready, and it will be revealed in the box below after verification. So if this is your first time visiting Cold Coupons, you do need to verify yourself to unlock your Jurassic Genesis code. And this is completely normal. It basically prevents people from stealing the limited number of codes that there are on this Cold Coupons website. So this is the code unlocker. It says complete 2 of the free app or survey offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. So long story short, guys, it's pretty self-explanatory, but you need to complete 2 of the free tasks that you see on this screen, and they're really easy things like TikTok. Install the app, open it, and run it for 30 seconds. So if you don't have TikTok, that is a really quick and easy one to do. And it basically takes you to the App Store where you grab it. So you would download the app and basically open it for 30 seconds. There's other things like free surveys like this one where you just have to answer some questions and basically, just follow through the instructions on there. So let's go back to it. So just complete 2 tasks. They're all completely free, of course. And if you do that, it will redirect you back to this page on Cold Coupons. And basically, guys, your code will be fully unlocked. Obviously, I've already done this previously and I've skipped forward. But yeah, it will reveal your full code in that box. So yeah, obviously, I didn't complete it. But so yeah, your code will be shown in here and you can literally redeem it. So your full code, and it's going to get you all dinosaurs. So these are the best Jurassic Genesis Roblox codes. You just got to go to Cold Coupons and find the Jurassic Genesis codes page. So enjoy, guys. Let me know if you need any help getting your code. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video.